Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Richelle here. So guys, ngayon po gagawa po tayo ng ating Oriental salad. So, we have here our all ingredients. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Richelle here. And for today's video guys, is gagawa po tayo ng a la restaurant Oriental salad. This is Thai food guys. So, if you don't know, Thai food is one of my favorite food in Asia na natikman ko na swak sa panglasa ko. So, I just want to share this recipe with you all guys. Andito na nga ating mga recipes sa ating gagawing Thai salad. So, I have here this chicken, our tanghon, I've grated carrot, I have this lemongrass, kaffir leaves. So guys, if you don't know what is kaffir leaves, it is like the leaves of suha in Philippines, but that is very special. This is celery, and then we have spring onions, coriander, I have this cabbage, and lemon as well. So I supposed to use calamansi juice, but since I don't have calamansi juice, I rather use this lemon juice. I have this light soy sauce. We also need this vegetable oil, and then this fish sauce, and our sugar, salt. So guys, in our sugar, if you don't want to use sugar, you can always use the honey for substitute. It is more healthy. And then we also need to have the garlic. We need to mince it. And then the chili patty. In a bowl, put your squeezed lemon juice inside. Four teaspoons of sugar. Four tablespoons of fish sauce. Five tablespoons of light soy sauce. Stir it well until sugar is dissolved and set it aside. Meanwhile, prepare noodles according to packet directions and drain it. Wash it with cold water and set it aside. Heat oil in a wok and then add garlic, kaffir leaves, and then the lemongrass. Yeah, that's the lemongrass. And then the chili padi. Stir it until it becomes fragrant. Add the chicken and stir it until it will fully cook. Keep on stirring so that it won't get burned. And now our chicken is already cooked. We can add our mixed vegetables like our grated carrots, spring onion, celery, and the cabbage. So we can add it on and turn off the fire and give a toast of that. Haluin mabuti hanggang makutang lahat ng as well. And then mix it and pour the mixture of our sauce. Just slowly pour it, guys, so that you can adjust the taste. And then give a toast of your vegetable salad. Yep. And then now our salad is ready. It's really amazing, beautifully delicious. So guys, if you want to know the ingredients of this, I will write it down in my description box below, and any comments and suggestion, just write it down in a comment box. Sasagutin natin yan. So guys, here's our Oriental salad. Is already done and it's so yummy. And yep, love it, guys. So guys, here is our Oriental salad and I'm done, and let's taste it, guys. Let's taste it. This is one of my favorite. It's very yummy and delicious. It is, I like to serve it like it's a little bit hot or warm, or it can be fridge. Oh, I can highly recommend this salad for everyone, guys. It's very nice. Masarap po talaga itong Thai food, guys. So if you want to know the quantity of my cooking, but guys, note, cooking is an art. You can always add on. And guys, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aking luto for today and for my recipe. And if you feel you like this video, yeah, paki-thumbs up and then leave your comment down below dahil sasagutin natin ang lahat ng yan. And I think this is the end of my video. See you in my next vlog.